Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021. This is the Rapido 696F motorhome. Haven't got a clue how much it costs, although I could guess, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to show you around in 3 minutes or less. Well, not or less, it will be less. And the point of this is to give you a quick overview of the van, and then you can decide if you want to watch the video with more details of it. How about that? Do you think this is a good idea or a bad idea? Well, we'll see if it catches on or not, because I started doing things called YouTube Shorts, and the result of that was people weren't too impressed. Now, the thing with YouTube Shorts is that the camera is supposed to be up in the portrait mode, and the reason it's in portrait mode is it's supposed to compete with TikTok. So that's the idea for YouTube. So I don't really think it's suitable for my audience anyway, which happens to be more distinguished and refined. And if you're not distinguished or refined, then you've clearly come to the wrong place. So that's what me, just want to mention here. Got this from Capron, there you go. And this came from Bidgosh, so thought I'd give them both a mention. So I've got an idea on the t-shirt front what I'm going to do with t-shirts as well. I'm going to promote people's t-shirts whilst they're watching. Good idea, huh? Right, face to face, you've got lots of space down here. This thing comes with either 2 or 3 burners. I can see this one's only got 2, and if you want 3, it's an option. I personally think, though, look at this, I just want to point this out, look how far apart they are, right? Often you get 3 burners, even 4. I've seen on some UK vans 4 burners, and you know, there's no, you get 4 burners and it only fits 1 van. Right, this centrally locked. Yeah, go on, see it's locked. So I'll open it. Sorry, you didn't see me open it. Yeah, there you go. I'll press this thing here. Alright, so I'll lock it again and unlock it again. Alright, and I'll open one of these. I'll open the bottom one. Oh, I didn't mention there's a bed up here as well. But if I'm going to do this in under 3 minutes, you're not going to see the bed come down. So you'll have to see that in the main feature. So thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. That's the Rapido 696F.